Hey guys, Barney from Legendex here. This is what you've all wanted to see. What have I done on the back? We have built a custom jack-off canopy tray. This thing is mint. I'm so pumped with the quality and what we've done. Full alloy, it hardly weighs a thing. In fact, I think it's lighter than what I had on there before. We have got this painted to match the car. Alloy here. Everything, I got drawers, I got everything I want. I got the chrome, it was a beautiful look. This thing is amazing and it's short, about 300 mil shorter. And this tray, this whole thing, I'm stoked. Let me show you the lights on this thing. This is the piece de la resistance. These babies are mint. I absolutely love them, ecstatic to have them. Again, this shows off all my trims. Everything, I got the spare tire mounted, that looks mint. Even got a little checker plate color coded to it. Legendex, I love that number plate, but full drawers. Thank you to the boys at Dunn Watson. These are just so, I got so much storage, I got so many places to put my things. But at the end of the day, this thing is so tough. And these lights, they just set it right off. I'm so chuffed. I couldn't be happier. I just want to say thank you to the guys down at Mick Smash Repairs who did the paint job. Beautiful fellas, thank you Nate in particular. And my mate Sam at Legendex who did all the finishing touches. Spent, I don't know, 30, 40 hours this week just working on this truck. This thing is unbelievable. But I want to show you what I got on the inside now, guys, because the fridge is where it's at. Every off-road tourer needs a decent camp setup, and no camp setup is perfect without a perfect fridge. Now this, thank you very much Engel. That tilt slide, how mint is that? Oh, damn it, I love this thing. Now this is unbelievable. This tilt slide is just so easy access, it's lightweight. The thing is fantastic. Thanks to the boys at Dunn Watson. They do an awesome job. Full custom gear if you guys want to know them. Get to know those guys. But this thing's got me excited about my Cape trip. Seriously, the setup I've got here, I can go almost anywhere in this country with this truck. But now with this setup, when I get there, I'm going to relax, enjoy myself and be proud of the job that we've done. Enjoy the truck, guys.